In this lesson, you are going to learn strategies for averages. This averages is the average of speed I'm going to talk about. So we understand what is the speed. Speed is the distance divided by time. Let us say the situation given somewhere, you find many distance, many time, or for some distance, some speed is given, for some other distance, some other speed is given, or you can take in either way. Maybe for some time interval, the speed of body is something, for other time interval, the speed of body is some other thing. Then when we see from beginning to end, what is the average speed? Okay, so that we're going to discuss now. So first of all, we can write the formula for the average speed is total distance traveled divided by total time taken. And the general formula for speed we can write here. Speed is equals to distance divided by time. So average speed is total distance covered divided by total time taken. Now, what could be the average speed different scenario? Scenario number one, maybe body is going to some certain distance with some speed, let us say V1, and coming back same distance with the average speed V2. So what is the average speed of entire journey? This could be the one scenario. And the other scenario is maybe for some time interval, maybe T, the speed out was V1, some other time interval, maybe the T itself, and the speed is V2. So what is the average speed of entire journey? And if you notice one thing, in the first case, the distance is constant because the body goes from moving body goes from one point A to other point B, and again he's coming back. So in this case, distance is constant. And if we see the second scenario, here time is constant. So first time interval T, the speed was V1, and second time interval, again this is T itself, but the speed is V2. So what is going to be the average speed? And there could be the third scenario where nothing is constant. Like in the first case, distance was constant, second case time was constant, and third case maybe nothing is constant, or we can say everything is varying. Then how we get that? Let's see the case. Maybe from A to B, the time taken is T1, average speed is V1, and maybe B to C, time taken is T2, average speed is V2, something like that. So now you can see here nothing is constant. Then what be the average speed? And the basic formula for the average speed is this. So we are going to discuss all these cases one by one. Let's go to the next page. Here I'm taking the average speed, the first case, when time is constant. Read the statement. Statement is saying here, this average speed is equals to A plus B divided by 2, applicable when one travel at a speed A for half time and remaining half, the speed is B. So what is the average speed of entire journey? In this case, time is constant because it's saying half of the time speed is A, the rest half speed is B. So what is the average speed for entire time? So that is A plus B by 2. To understand more, I can take this example here. Let's say time T, you can take T, the average speed was A, and next half time is T itself, and maybe average speed is B. So what is the average speed of entire journey? So give some name, is be more clear, A, B, C. So what is the average speed? Average speed is equals to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. So what is the total distance traveled? That is AB plus BC, and divided by total time taken is 2T, because T this, so 2T. So what is this average speed? Let me write here is average speed. Average speed would be distance from A to B. How to find the distance? Distance is nothing but time into speed. The speed is A, time is T, so we can say A into T. Similarly, next one is going to be B into T divided by 2T. And if we take T common and cancel from numerator and denominator, so finally we're getting A plus B divided by 2. So this is the case I proved here. So simply in one line we can understand this. If time is constant, average speed is nothing but arithmetic mean of the speeds. Now we go with the second scenario. Let's see how to deal with this second scenario. In the second scenario is saying if distance is constant. Read the statement. Average speed is equals to 2ab divided by a plus b, and the statement is given here is applicable when travel at a speed a for half distance and b for the remaining half. It means distance is constant. It could be body move from here to here, the distance is d, again body moving same distance d, because half of distance, or you can say d by 2, and here speed is given a, and here speed is given b. So what is the average speed for entire journey? This is the one way of looking this one, and the other way of looking this one, we can say one body moves from a to b, maybe the speed is a, and coming back b to a, speed is small b. Now again you can see the distance is constant, a to b, b to a, or here a to b distance is d, again b to c distance is d. Both are the similar case. So the general formula for the average speed is equals to total distance travel. So total distance divided by total time, right? So what is going to be the total distance here? Let me write it. Average speed, total distance, this distance is d from here to here, again d. Or here you can say d up, d down. So 2d divided by total time taken. What is the time taken from A to B? Time is equals to distance by speed. So distance is d, speed is a. So we can write d by a, and next one is d by b. And if I take d common from numerator and denominator, we cancel out. So it's going to be 2 divided by 1 by a plus 1 by b. And after simplification, we'll be getting the average speed. We write here average speed 2ab divided by a plus b. So that's this. So I already proved this formula. So let me summarize once again. This is nothing but harmonic mean of the terms. This is also known as harmonic mean. So let me summarize the terms once again, whatever we discussed. What is speed? Distance by time. What is average speed? Total distance by total time, right? And the average speed could be two special case where the case one where time is constant, case two where distance is constant, and case three could be neither time nor distance is constant. If nothing is constant, then we can go with our basic formula. So I'm sure this is clear. If nothing is constant, we can use this. If time is constant, we can use this. If distance is constant, we can use this, right? So I'm sure this is very clear. So keep watching more videos and keep learning. Thank you.